In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a bill using QuickBooks, ensuring that your business finances are streamlined and organized. We'll walk through each step so that you feel confident navigating QuickBooks and can easily manage your vendor bills. To get started, you'll first want to open up QuickBooks. If you have the link bookmarked, now's the time to click it. If not, open your preferred web browser and type in QuickBooks URL to access your homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main QuickBooks dashboard, which serves as a hub for all your financial activities. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page where you've got several menu options. Look for the New button, which is crucial for beginning any new transaction you're going to record. Go ahead and click on New. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with various transaction options to choose from. For bills, you'll be clicking on the option labeled Bill. Once you select Bill, a new form will be prompted. This is where you'll enter all the necessary details for your bill. First, you'll need to choose your vendor from the vendor drop-down list. Yes, to us, if you've previously entered vendor information, you can simply select from the list. If it's a new vendor, take a moment to enter their details. Next, you'll hover over to the mailing address field. This is typically filled in automatically when you select a vendor, but it's always a good idea to double-check that the information is correct and complete. Any discrepancies could lead to issues later on, so don't skip this step. As you continue, navigate to the Terms section. Here you will specify the payment terms that have been agreed upon with your vendor. Accurate terms are important as they dictate when your payment is due, helping you manage your cash flow effectively. Now let's move on to set the bill date, which is the date the bill was issued. This will usually default to the current date, but if your bill was issued earlier, go ahead and modify it accordingly. Following that is the due date. This is calculated based on the terms, giving you the exact date the payment is required. Next, under the Category column, you'll allocate the bill to the appropriate expense category. This is crucial for your financial reporting and ensuring your expenses are tracked accurately. Similarly, you'll fill in the Description field to give more context about what the bill is for. With everything entered accurately, double-check the details, and finally, when you're ready to complete the process, navigate to the bottom of the form and click on the Save button. This action securely records the bill in your QuickBooks account, and you can rest easy knowing it's logged and ready for future review. This concludes our walkthrough of adding a bill in QuickBooks.